Do you want to start an LLC in Illinois? You're in the right place. This video breaks down the entire process without any confusing legal jargon. I'll show you where people waste time and money and how to avoid it. We'll also go over some important things that you need to do after setting up your LLC to help you avoid issues down the road. Follow along and you can set up your LLC in less than 10 minutes. Also, sign up below if you'd like a free LLC formation checklist to make sure you aren't forgetting anything. Step 1, choose a name for your business. Something most people don't realize is your LLC name is one of the most common reasons LLC filings get rejected. Your name must be unique in Illinois and end in limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC. Also, keep in mind, in Illinois, you're not allowed to use words like corporation, corp, inc., limited, or limited partnership. These imply a different business structure, not an LLC. You can't include the words trust, trustee, or fiduciary unless the business is an authorized corporate fiduciary. The easiest way to check LLC name availability is by visiting the Illinois Secretary of State's business entity search page. Search for your business name and make sure there isn't a business already using that name. Pro tip, as soon as you choose a name, don't wait to get your website domain. We recommend heading over to spaceship.com and locking down the matching domain name. Spaceship is one of the lowest cost and most user-friendly options for buying domains. And to make building your website as easy as possible, we'll link to a video below walking you through how to create a website in a matter of minutes. You can form your LLC and launch your online presence the same day. Links to the naming requirements, name search tool, and everything else we talk about in this video can be found down below. Step 2, select a registered agent. Every Illinois LLC is required to have one. This is a person or business that receives legal and state documents on your behalf and forwards them to you. You can be your own registered agent if you have a physical Illinois street address and are available during regular business hours, Monday to Friday. However, since the name and address of the registered agent becomes public record, most people use this service to keep their address private and avoid missing important mail. We recommend Northwest Registered Agent, who charges $125 per year to be your registered agent. If they form your LLC, you'll get the first year for free. Other registered agents charge up to $250 per year. Step 3, file your articles of organization. This is what actually forms your LLC. You can file directly through the Illinois Secretary of State's website or by submitting paper form LLC 5.5 by mail or in person. You'll pay a $150 filing fee when submitting. There's also a small fee when paying with a credit card. You can also form your LLC through a formation service, such as Northwest Registered Agent. They're who we recommend and have used them to create multiple LLCs. They file everything for you and catch any mistakes before submission. The process with them is quick and easy without any unnecessary upsells. Northwest files your articles of organization, handles the registered agent requirement, protects your privacy, and makes sure nothing important slips through the cracks. Forming your LLC can feel stressful, but they're a straightforward way to form your LLC and get it done right. And if you're anything like me, you don't have the time or patience to do it on your own. Let me walk you through exactly how to form your LLC with Northwest. You can follow along by going to the Northwest link down below in the description. First, select the state where you're forming your business. I'll select Illinois from the drop-down menu, then click Get Started. Here's a list of everything that's included for the $39 that Northwest charges. Filing with the state, registered agent service for 1 year, free domain, website, email, and phone line, renewal reminders, and renewal filing. They do charge $100 per renewal filing, but you can easily turn that off if you'd like to do it yourself. And you'll get an operating agreement template. Here's the Illinois filing fee of $154, the $150 for the articles of organization, plus a $4 credit card processing fee. Some formation services say they'll create your LLC for free, but be careful because they usually end up charging you for things like expedited processing, an operating agreement, or charge you up to $250 per year to be your registered agent. Standard processing time with Northwest is 10 days, or you can pay $256 to have your LLC created in 3 business days. This increases the fee that Illinois charges for faster processing. As a comparison, with Busy, your LLC formation in Illinois without expedited processing takes up to 3 weeks, and it takes Zen Business 7 to 10 business days to send your documents to the state. You'll find a good to know section down here at the bottom that answers common questions for every step of the process. If you ever have any other questions, you can call Northwest. You'll see their phone number listed right here, or fill out this form on their contact page. I give them a call whenever I have a question. I'm quickly connected with a knowledgeable person who can actually answer my question. Customer support is a big part of their brand. You can learn more about what's important to them and what they stand for on their manifesto page. Next, enter your LLC name. If you have an attorney and want them to receive a copy of legal notices, select yes and add their email. Otherwise, just leave it as no. And don't worry, you don't need a lawyer to start a business. Now you need to add your business's physical address and mailing address. Next, choose your management type. Member managed is the most common. It means the owner or owners, you, run the show. Select manager managed if you will appoint someone to handle the daily operations. At any point, if you want to learn more, click on the question icon. Enter your name as a member. If there are additional members, click add member and fill in their information. Next are the recommended services. Everything is optional and a la carte. No forced bundles like you see with many of their competitors. I recommend getting a tax ID EIN. Northwest will do this for you for an additional $50. Or you can do it on your own by following the instructions in the video that you'll find in the description. I'll explain more about your EIN later on in the video. If you want to have your LLC taxed as an S-Corp, you can have Northwest file Form 2553 with the IRS. This can help you save money on taxes, but you should only do it after you're earning somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 of profit per year. If you want to work from home, you'll want their premium mail forwarding service, so you're not listing your home address on any business documents, invoices, or emails. Again, helping you keep your information private. I wouldn't worry about a trademark filing now. If you're using your LLC name as your brand name, you don't need a DBA. A DBA, or doing business as, is only needed if your LLC name is different from the brand name you'll be using publicly. Add what you want and click continue. Then enter your contact information, name, phone number, and address. This will be for Northwest and won't be shared with the state. Then create your account with an email and password. Finally, fill in the payment information, hit submit, and you're done. Once approved and your LLC has officially been formed, you'll receive your formation documents from the state, or Northwest will add scanned copies to your account. Step 4, get an employer identification number, EIN. An EIN is like a social security number for your business. You need this to open a business bank account, hire employees, cleanly separate yourself from your business, and more. The application process is quick, taking around 10 minutes online through the IRS's website. But having Northwest do this ensures there's no errors in the filing. If you're a single member LLC and you won't have any employees, you could use your social security number instead of an EIN, but for privacy, I only use my social security number when absolutely necessary. Step 5, create your operating agreement. Illinois doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but you should still have one. This document explains who owns the LLC, how decisions are made, helps minimize conflicts, and also helps maintain your personal liability protection. Banks will ask for it, accountants may ask for it, and if there's ever a dispute, this document protects you. Even if you're a single member LLC, this matters. If you have a complicated situation with many business partners or investors, you may want to work with a lawyer to draft the operating agreement. But in many cases, especially if it's just you, you can use one of Northwest's registered agents' free operating agreement templates, linked below. Step 6, open a business bank account. To keep your personal assets separate from your business assets, you'll want to open a business bank account. It'll help you maintain the limited liability protection your LLC provides, meaning that if your LLC is sued, only your business assets are at risk, not your personal ones. To open an account, you'll just need to provide the bank either online or in branch with your articles of organization, your EIN confirmation letter, a government-issued photo ID, and your operating agreement. We recommend contacting your bank of choice ahead of time to make sure you have on hand all necessary documentation, as requirements can change a little from bank to bank. To avoid account minimums, monthly fees, and other fees, I recommend avoiding the traditional banks and using an online business bank account. Bluevine and American Express offer accounts with no monthly fees, and you can earn interest on your checking account balance. Linked below, you'll find a video on the best business bank accounts and a video walking you through how to open an account. Step 7, obtain licenses and permits. Forming an LLC doesn't automatically mean that you're allowed to operate your business. Depending on what you do and where you're located, you may need state licenses, county licenses, city licenses, or industry-specific permits. This part is based on your business type and your location, so you need to check local and state requirements. As a starting point, you can ask your favorite AI tool if you need any licenses or permits to operate your business type in whatever city, county, or state that you're based in. Step 8, track your finances. Once you have a bank account open and start earning money, you'll want a system for managing the money that comes in and out of your business. You should learn to get your finances in order from day one. You don't need to hire an accountant, but I would at least start tracking your income and expenses with an online accounting software like QuickBooks, Wave, Doola, or FreshBooks. After you start earning some revenue and your expenses begin to grow, it may make sense to look for a service like Doola's Business in a Box, where you'll have a dedicated bookkeeper helping you manage your finances. If you want to hire a bookkeeper right from the start, you could also have Doola form your LLC. If accounting is something new to you, I've linked a few videos below that'll help you better understand income, expenses, write-offs, taxes, and how to manage your finances properly from the start, instead of trying to fix a mistake that happens later on. Now, this one doesn't apply to everyone, but if you sell taxable goods or services, you'll need to register with the Illinois Department of Revenue for a certificate of registration. To keep your Illinois LLC in good standing, step number 9, submit an annual report each year. Illinois ties your deadline to the date your LLC was formed. It's due before the first day of your LLC's anniversary month. So if your LLC was formed on May 17th, your annual report is due by April 30th each year. The cost for filing the LLC is $75. If you miss the deadline by more than 60 days, you'll pay a $100 late fee. So put it on your calendar or have Northwest file this for you. Starting an LLC in Illinois doesn't have to feel complicated. If you want the easiest way to get started, you can find the link to Northwest Registered Agent down below. If you use our link, we may earn a commission at no cost to you. It's a great way to support the channel. Now, to sidestep common mistakes new business owners fall into, watch this video. We also have a free course that goes over everything you need when starting a new business. If you have any questions or need additional guidance, feel free to comment below or message us. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.